Hello YouTubers, it's Chris. And we happen to have a problem with our ambass-a-dor model 9000 garage door opener. It works fine when you operate it from the button on the wall here, but the remote is not, it's not working correctly. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's intermittent. So what I'm going to do is we're going to climb right up there and have a look-see at it. Again, this is for the Napoleon Lynx ambass-a-dor residential garage door opener. This is a 1990s vintage. And I don't know. I managed to find this manual online here. It's got some useful information, schematics and things like that. But I think the crux of the problem is to get up there and see what's up. So let's see what's happening. Look at that. My garage door won't work. My opener. So look over here. Right there. And the one right next to it. They're breaking apart, man. All right, let's see if we can fix that. So we're gonna sand this down a little bit. A little fine grit. Shine it up. All right. And then we're going to take a little piece of nickel like so. Little mini arc welder here. Let's see if this works. Looks like it should be working. Yeah. All right, put a little piece on there too. All right, so you can see we've dropped another one right on here. So, it's probably not the best alloy match. Let's power this thing off. Pull out the remote. Give it a shot. Stop. Reverse. Nice. It works. One more time. Sweet. Thanks for watching, man. I think we've got this thing fixed. The old ambass-a-dor garage door opener.